So I'm going to show you a little trick to getting these off. So first, you need a very tiny flathead screwdriver. What you want to do is you want to push up on your plug, get it inside. You want to be very, very careful. You only want enough to wiggle it out. And I'm going to show you on the next one over here. Push on it down, add it just enough to get under, and just enough to go over. Bam! Or you could buy the right tool, but unfortunately I don't have one of those. So just show you a little trick that I kind of mustered up to get this done. I don't know if you can even see what I'm doing. It's so hard to see out here. And I got a very shallow focus field. I think you can maybe see that one in the corner. She's gonna be the leading role. Bam! Alright. So let's start here, I suppose, right in the middle. Let's see what she wants to provide. Where did I put my? Right there. Don't kick the tripod. Okay. She wants to just come out, which is good. Good for us because we're replacing them. Not good because you don't want these to be loose in here. Alright, let's see. Just wanna. Oh. Ooh, she's a little crusty. She's exposed. A little crusty, a little exposed. What I like to do is put my 6-inch extension spark plug tool in there first. I like to put my little 2-incher on. And how am I going to do this so you guys can see? A little bit. Ooh, she wants to fight right away. Okay, a little bit. Come back. A little bit more, a bit more. As soon as you start feeling like she wants to fight you, you want to bring her on back. I'm going to set this a little bit, actually, wait, so I can kind of, I got the swivel ratchet from my dad. It's been a blessing. Okay. Just wanted to fight a little bit. I'm not putting very much pressure on this. You don't want to be reefing on these guys. Remember, hold her center in your plug there. I'm kind of tilting a little bit, but I'm feeling when it's getting tight and when I got to readjust. She wanted to come out nice and easy. Nice and easy, and I love that. Okay, before we get too far, let me grab my new plugs here. Doing it off camera, because I was not prepared. I don't like leaving them open. This one was nice and easy. We love nice and easy. Oh, out she goes. A little bit of oil on the threads there. Oh. Get a new one. Pop her in. Remember, you want to feel it. If she's not going in, you're cross-threading. If you can't bottom it out by hand, you're cross-threading it. Or your threads are messed up because somebody else cross-threaded before you. Alright. Swap her over to tighten. Remember, keep her center. If you have her at an angle, she's going to fight harder than she needs to, and you're probably going to hurt something. You're going to feel when she bottoms out. You don't want to go much further than that. Get her nice and tight. Don't over tighten. Don't damage your threads. It's an aluminum block. Okay, let's get a new coil. Nice OEM Toyota Denso. Get the part number here for you. Actually, let me just read it right off the plug here. Part number 90919-02230. I don't think that they have the originals, and this is the replacement original, but make sure you get Denso. Don't get this off-brand stuff. Unless you like doing the same job twice. Just get her snugged up. You don't want to reef her down. This is plastic. Just get her nice and snug. Plug her in. A snap means she's happy. See you on the next one.